Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for all you freshers. Resume writing that will help you to stand out for any job interview or crack any job interview. If you are ready to learn new things, to understand new things, then keep watching the video till the last. First thing, why does having a small resume or one page resume is matter, and what is the purpose of resume, all those things we are checking. So the what is resume? It is a first impression to your employer, to your future employer. Your resume is a chance to showcase your knowledge, your skills, your education to your employer. A well crafted resume can open a doors to job interviews and career opportunities. Now let's start with the basic. The first thing is like your contact information. Your contact information should be at the top of your resume and easy to find. It should be at the middle or at the left. It should include your full name, phone numbers, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile. And one small tip, your email address should be professional, no nickname or any funny handle name. Next thing is resume objective, or we can say it's a summary. So, your resume objective should focus on your career goals and what you can do for the company, for your future employer. That should mention in the resume, and you can change your resume as per job you are applying for. So here one example is given, like recently graduated with the degree, whatever your field working, and you are seeing at the entry level job, and you are having XYZ skills, you can contribute to the project. All those things are you can mention in the resume objective or your summary. Now we will talk about your education. So you can put your latest education at your first, like you are graduate, postgraduate, those things you can mention at the first. Then second degree should be your uh, second degree, then third, then first, like this, second, first. So the last should be your 10th, then 12th, graduation, post graduation, like this. And you can mention below things like name of your institute, degree, graduation date, and your marks also you can mention, CGPA or percentage, all those things. And if you completed any extra course or projects, those also you can mention. Yeah. As we are talking about the freshers only, so freshers are not having any work experience as of now. Okay. So you can mention your internship, your part-time jobs if you performed any, or your volunteer work also in the work experience. Now the part is skills. So if you are applying for any position, go through the job description and check what type of skills they are looking for. They are looking for technical skills, they mention those things. If they are looking for soft skills, then mention those soft skills in your resume. Yeah, in the project section for the freshers, you can mention your college projects you worked on. In the additional section, you can mention languages, you can mention any additional certification you did. So this additional section can help you to show you that you are a all-rounder in your current field. Uh, Here now we will check formatting tips. So you can use a clean and simple layout with plenty of white space. Okay, and the most used fonts are like Arial or New Times Roman, and the size should be 10 or 12. And try to keep your resume one page only. And before sending to any employer, check the spell check, grammatical errors, all those things you can check. Now we are at the final point of the video. So here are some final tips. You can change your resume as per job application. In the activities or in the verbs, you can use like organized, manage, collaborated, like this. Like I organized XYZ function in my college, or I managed two teammates while performing project in the college. Or you can mention like I collaborated with um, XYZ in the college for the completing this project, like this. And the main thing is be honest and accurate in your description. Don't fake the things. No. If you feel this is helpful for you for your resume preparation, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. Thank you for watching till end. Thank you very much.